Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow, 9th of August, and first stock is Bharti Airtel. This we can buy above 625, which is its ATH breakout. Then we have Vedanta. Vedanta we can buy above 320. Then we have IIFL Wealth Management. We can take a risk when it breaks its ATH around 1665. Then we have JSL Hisar. This we can buy above 305. Then we have JSL. JSL we can buy over 170. Gabriel we can buy over 146. Thyrocare we can buy over 1370. Jensa Tech we can buy over 430. But if it gives gap up, then you can avoid. So wait for first 5 minutes for taking any trade. Then we have Chidus Wellness. This we have to buy above 2300, and India Mart we can buy above 7500. In cash stocks we have Gallant Metal. This we can buy above 88. KPIT Tech we can buy above 316. GTPL Hathway we can buy above 207. You can see this breakout on weekly chart. So we can buy this above 207. Home First Keep in Radar, we have to buy this above 625. Alicon Met Castelloy, this we can buy above 866. Themis Med, this we can buy above 1000 level. Indigo Paints Keep in Radar, this we can buy above 2740. For short side, Exide Industry we can short below 170. It can give target around 168 to 167. Then we have Indigo. Indigo we can short below 1625. This is one inside candle. MRF looks weak. We can short this below 7900. LIC, this we can short below 403. Asian Paints we can short below 2950. GEAL, you can see it is taking support on this trend line. So if it breaks this trend line, we can short below 195 level. And Man Infra looks good for positional. This I will buy above 71 and will keep stop loss below 62. So you can see this is a very beautiful structure if you see on weekly chart. So this we can buy for positional. In support stocks, I have Nucleus. This I told in last video as well. It has currently it bounced. Let's see how it moves. So this is its support area. AB Capital, again this is bounced from this support, but I will try to buy this when it breaks this 132 level. Nasdaq, this is also approaching this support area, but this can even come around this zone as well, 230. Castrol Industry, this also bounced from very good support area. Exchanging, this has given breakout from 100 level, then it moved till 140 and did a pullback and again bounced from the same breakout level. You can see on weekly chart. Then we have Mahindra Logistic. Mahindra Logistic also, this is kind of pullback. If you see, the volume is reducing. So this also, you can see it went up with huge volume and falling with less volume. So if it gives any signal like some bullish candle around this zone in hourly or daily chart, then we can take this trade. GPIL, this is also again bounced from this support zone, bent Bent also is came again back to that support area, its previous ATH breakout. You can see this is 4200 level. Wonderlaw, this is also coming around support area. Allset Technology, this is also, you can see a long tail candle. This is its support area. If you zoom out chart, you can see this 410 level. And next is Signity Tech. This you can see on weekly chart. This is also approaching its the previous breakout level around 510. So these are some stocks which are either at support area or approaching near to support. So you can see how you can use this. That's it for today. Thank you everyone.